Types of soil erosion. See, as we have already discussed the different types of soil erosion. The first type is sheet erosion, when the soil is eroded and removed as a thin layer, or the removal of covering from large area is known as rain wash, or it is also called as sheet erosion. That means when rain occurs, heavy rain occurs in the field, the loosened soil particles, they washed away from the whole field or a plot in the form of a thin layer. It is called as the sheet erosion. The removal of the sheet is called as sheet erosion due to the rainwater or surface runoff. Then the next type is the reel erosion. It is the second type of erosion. It causes because of the rainfall. When water flows very rapidly through the field, the finger-like structures or grooves are formed, and these several grooves together run towards a same slope and leads to the formation of the gully erosion. It is simply the formation of the reel or channel or grooves into the field due to the running water, and that running water flows through these different grooves or finger-like structure towards same slope in the field, and it becomes a reel erosion. Then next is the gully erosion. As I have already stated that the number of reels formed in the field due to the heavy rainwater in the field, these reels flows toward the same slope and join to form a wider and deeper channel of water called gullies. Gullies are formed due to the number of reels. Then the next type is the riverine erosion. This type of erosion takes place when the running water through the river basin, that the fast running water, when cut the edges or lateral sides of the bank of a river, it causes the riverine erosion. The next is the landslide or the slip erosion. This kind of erosion takes place over the hilly areas where the vegetation or the plantation is very less, and more or less the land over there exposed to the different types of climatic conditions, especially the rainwater during monsoon season. When rain occurs, that acts upon the hilly region, especially on the soil or the rocky material, where rainwater and gravity acts together on that soil. Heavy rainfall creates hydraulic pressure that increases the weight of the rock, and which comes under the gravitational force and finally slide down. This is nothing but the landslide.